back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today I'm just going to do a quick video for anyone that's been monetized and has gone through the channel and seen that they've got these green items here, obviously, which shows that it's been monetized. But then what to do if you have one of these gold ones here. I'm sorry that it's getting really blurry, but it says not suitable for most advertisers, request a review. This has happened with a few of my videos, and it's usually if there's breastfeeding in the title, even though I'm not breastfeeding. And some videos, it's not even anything to do with that. I think one was teething and they didn't want to monetize on that. So you can request a review. So all you have to do is go on there and request a review, and usually someone looks at this manually. So if you scroll down, it'll have information here which says limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. So it says if you think our automated system got this wrong and your video is suitable for all advertisers, you can request a review. So all you're going to do is just click on request manual review, and it says right now we are only able to review videos with at least 1,000 views in the past 7 days. Now I don't know if that's individual, but I don't think it is, because I've asked for reviews on videos that have only got like 100 views, but in total my channel is getting about 15,000 views a month. So it says we'll review it when it reaches that threshold. So it's always worth just clicking it so that you're not going to miss out on any money. So I'm confirming that it's suitable, but you can have a look on this link here which tells you what videos are not suitable and what are. I know that this is, it's not got anything that's breaking in community rules or anything like that. And then all you do is submit review. So as you can see, it has gone on it. If I go back now, it's going to be unlikely that they make a decision straight away, obviously. I'm just having a look now to see. So it says there, if you look, review requested. So if they accept it, I can't remember now exactly, but I think you might get an email, and you obviously will see that gold dollar sign is changed to a green one. And then I just wanted to show you an example of a video where they've made a decision and they're not going to change it. So I'll just show you that now. I don't know how to do that thing, you know, when you do the screen. I'm actually filming my screen right now. So like, there we go. So this is my labor and delivery. Now I can understand why that one might not be suitable. I mean, they could have demonetized it totally, but instead they have said not suitable for most advertisers, and it's confirmed by a manual review. So there's nothing I can do about that, and I'm a bit gutted because obviously the views, it's one of those videos of mine that keeps me ticking over and is bringing in a little bit of money. So yeah, so I'm a bit gutted about it, but at the end of the day, out of 160 videos, I think there's only one that is doing that. And apart from that, the other one that I showed you, this one here was my birth vlog that I didn't edit properly, so that's why it's showing that there. And I've not requested a review on that one because obviously it's not live, it's like a duplicate video. So I hope you've been able to see everything and hear what I'm saying. If you need any help with anything, then please just leave a comment down in the comment section. If you found this useful, I would really love it if you could give it a thumbs up, as it really helps with my channel growth. And another thing as well, if you want any more of these types of videos, or you want me to talk about anything to do with monetization, I'm not an expert, but I will share what I know. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.